Good day, traders, and welcome to the XM Live. Welcome back, guys. Good news. Yesterday, gold went fantastic up from the upside, making another progression. And today, guys, I'm having this gold position, also small one, and I'm looking to see if it can still push higher so I can sell it later. Anyway, guys, yesterday we had volatile markets, really. Markets were very dynamic, and unfortunately dollar yen hit stop, and unfortunately dollar yen hit stop. Fortunately gold went into a big profit. Now, guys, we are looking at potential gold continuational move. Well, look, the problem is that the US dollar went really strong, and that created a weakness in all currencies except the US dollar. And basically now, look, I will show you all of my current trades, but at this point, guys, I have a long in gold, I have shorts in dollar yen, which are a part of my pending order setup, and I have a long in the GBP dollar. So what I think it can happen, we will see, but I think I might close one, or actually I will leave gold because, you know, gold, I already made very big profits yesterday, which I will show you. I will go to 15-minute time frame just to show you what happened here. These were three of my entries and the reasons why I actually made long there. But also we will take a look at dollar yen, which currently is going also up. So we will see. Anyway, guys, at this point, the market is trying to push higher up. I have also GBP dollar long position, which I will explain. However, what is happening right now is London Open, and market is not very strong in this London Open. I thought that we could see a little bit of stronger moves. Anyway, let's get back to yesterday. First, why did I open a long trade on gold when the market was dropping like a stone? Because it's 88.6, guys, the strongest Fibonacci retracement. Bonjour, Baldwin Alhama, or would I say bonjour? Yes, it means good day in French. So, guys, welcome to our session. And look, what can I say about gold is that, well, the move and the pressure on gold is still down. But yesterday, it had even more pressure to the downside. However, I noticed that 89 EMA, right, touched 88.6, which is a hero trade. And what happened then? The market started a unidirectional move to the upside. During the night, it reached 33.15, and that was I closed a few of my trades a little bit earlier, but the one position I left overnight fully, and it reached 33.15. So that was the outcome of these, I would say, moves in gold. But the best move definitely was, I guess, I mean, whoever got into a short move here, I guess it was the best move for very big profits. However, I was waiting for this level to come, and whenever I see, guys, confluence of 89 EMA and 88.6, I'm going to open a bigger risk trade. Because, guys, yesterday I made intentionally bigger risk trade for the reasons that I was very convinced in this. And you can see here, I opened 0.50 lots. I opened 0.30 lots limit order. So I went really with a high risk in gold. I was very convinced in 89 EMA and 88.6 confluence. I think that's the strongest confluence for I would call counter momentum or counter trend moves. So all of you guys who are thinking about whether you can go long after the, let's say, gold or any other volatile market drops with such big momentum, yes, you can do it, of course, provided that you are doing exactly what I show you here. All right. So this was pretty good move. And the markets were very positive. All right. So I hope that the move will continue and that we will be able to push the markets higher. All right. So, well, let's see, guys. Still keeping this gold. I also have a short in. Why did look on my, let me see, on my other account I will close my gold trade now because I have two XM accounts. Other one is on XM app. So guys, if you trade also markets via XM app, you have the XM app and access it, you can trade. I do the analysis there. I post live videos, pictures from my life and so on. Now I will close up my trade here because this is bigger account. All right. So I will close now, and this is it. All right, so we got some profits on gold. And look, I will keep my dollar yen shorts. Yesterday, unfortunately, dollar yen went against me. It was such a strong move. But now I see that I'm in a profit here. Anyway, guys, I want to see bigger profits, of course, from dollar yen, not like this. GBP dollar trying to push higher up, and I see that GBP dollar is pushing up. All right. Why did I make GBP dollar a long position again? This was the setup on Megatrend Hero, new version. We are trading order blocks, guys. Order blocks are strong levels, and this was the strongest level that you can see, and that's why I was buying it. Why the strongest level? Because, guys, look, if you take a look at the past, where did the order block happen? Exactly here where I went into, maybe slightly higher, I went into a long, but exactly there, that was a long position. Uh, Wait, do I have questions here? This was for Giancarlo. I thought that you might be asking me some questions here. No, okay. So let's move on, guys. Well, what do I expect here? I expect that the market is going to go higher, and I expect that the market is going to push GBP dollar towards maybe, look, something around this level, definitely, in my opinion. And that level is 3508, 3510. So yeah, probably towards that level. Now, will this level hold or will it reject? That's what I don't know. For that, we need to go to lower time frame and to see if there is also, look, I mean, there is also EMA 89 resistance. So I guess this level could provide some sort of relief for bears because this is where bulls want to go. But what I'm happy with right now is my gold position. I think I might actually protect my gold position. I'm having Bitcoin also long trade. Couple of days ago, I keep Bitcoin as longer trade, right? So we will see. But I think that Bitcoin also is going to push higher up. The biggest risk I have in dollar yen, and you can see, guys, now what I was talking about in my previous sessions, the power of controlled martingale. Look, I have 0.60 lots in dollar yen. I have 0.30 lots in dollar yen. One position is in profit, the other one is in a loss. So what happens then? If I close both simultaneously, I get profits. That's why, guys, I like these. Let me just take a screenshot here. Because I will use this for my live video later in XM app. So when you combine those two entries, with control martingale, now if I close both, I would have 80 points. Right. So I think that many traders falsely fear from martingale. Martingale can be very good if you know how to control it. And yesterday, again, I recovered from dollar yen loss by using, guys, control martingale. Right. So look, I lost dollar yen trade. But then I completely recovered by using control martingale, trading gold mostly. Right. But you need to know what you are doing. You need to be sure in what you are doing, guys. You need to be sure that your setups are valid and correct. Right. So that's the way how the market functions. That's the way how the market is generally. And honestly, guys, frankly speaking, now the market is unstable due to many factors. First, we have tariff wars, and those tariff wars are making havoc in the market. One day you have announcement of tariffs. The second day you have extended deadlines. The next could be that tariffs could be returning back to 10%. I mean, the market is very unstable. And in that sense, the currencies react immediately. So what does it mean immediately react? It means, guys, that despite everything, right, investors, central banks, they are not sure what will happen. For example, Fed is not certain whether tariffs can be recessionary or inflationary. Traders also don't know, guys, the real direction. Who profits mostly from tariff news? Robots, guys. Robots who trade the price immediately after the news is released. Right. So those robots that are placed, right, on the accounts, they, guys, trade those immediate news. Right. Immediate news means, guys, that once the news is released, all right, they are immediately traded as quants, and algos put huge volumes into the direction of the news, right? And that's actually who profits the most from those news, right? So it's basically profitable robots. For us intraday traders, right, I like volatility. We need volatility. And finally, we have this volatility in the market. And you can see now, guys, how I can manage my positions. So I'm in a profit now. I can take the risk, guys, if I leave my dollar yen trades running. So now, look, it's all about how you manage it. I'm negative on euro dollar, right? But I'm positive on most currencies. So if I close, let's say, one position of dollar yen and the second one, I will get profits. But I don't have control martingale position here in euro dollar. So that's why I need to leave it. If I close all of my trades, then I would take all the profits. These are the decisions. I wouldn't do it right now. And I would try to keep it balanced. So I think I would leave a little bit of this because my dollar yen trade is made on premises that it's a daily setup. So what was the reason for my dollar yen trade? The reason is, let me actually open a clear chart so I can demonstrate. All right, chart. Let me just open clear chart. Right. So what was the reason for my trade? The reason for the trade was the bounce setup. In Megatrend, guys, bounce setup means that there is a cross of the moving averages daily and 4-hour time frame below the EMA 89. And the first touch of 8 and 21 is the entry. Yesterday, Venom setups made couple of losses on dollar yen because I had